Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to remove specific text from an entire column in Excel. Before getting started, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, now in this tutorial I will try to use these 5 methods to get the desired results. Okay, so the first method will be the find and replace tool, the second one the flash fill feature, the text to columns feature, the substitute function, and finally using the replace function. Okay, so let's get to the point. Now before using the find and replace tool, first select the entire column of data, then press Ctrl H, okay, to get to the replace window. Now in the find hot field, type in the text that you want to remove from the column. Okay, so here let's say we want to remove the user, the word user followed by the colon. Okay, so type in the word followed by the colon, and if you want to replace this with something, then type that in the replace with field. Okay, otherwise keep this field empty. Now click on replace all and it is done. Okay, quick and easy. So this is one way to remove any specific text from an entire column. Okay, in the second method, let's try the flash fill feature. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to retype the text excluding the specific text that we want to remove. Okay, so in this case we do not want to type the first portion of the text. Okay, so exclude this and retype the entire text, that is robert21@gmail.com. okay, now just press Ctrl E and you will get the exactly the same result as in the earlier methods. Okay, so Excel automatically detects the data pattern and exclude the word that you wanted to remove from the entire column of data. Okay, so this is another workaround to do this. In the third method, we wanted to use the text to columns feature, so let's just do that. Okay, from the data tab, go to text to columns, next, and for the delimiters use the colon character. Okay, and you can see that the entire column is divided into two separate columns. Click on next, finish, and you can just put the desired column on top of the first column which is unnecessary. Okay, and we get the same result. For the next one, we will use the substitute function. So substitute the old text, or the text should be the source text. For the old text, put the text that you want to remove within double quotes, so user followed by colon, and the new text should be empty, so just two double quotes. Okay, and looks like we are done. Let's see. Okay, good. So this is another way to get the same result. Now what you can do is you can also remove the last portion of the text using another substitute function in this formula. So just nest this formula within another substitute function. Okay, so substitute, and this portion of the formula should be used as the text argument. Okay, then for the old text we want to remove the @gmail.com portion. Okay, and the new text should be empty. Okay, so and we get this result. Just copy the formula down and you are done. Okay, and finally the replace function is mostly similar to the substitute function, but we want to, let's try this if we want to use it practically. So replace the old text is the source text. Okay, so the start number, as the text we want to remove starts from the beginning, the start number is 1. Okay, Otherwise you can use the find function to detect the starting place of that text. Okay, then from the number of characters, what we need to do is to find the character number of the last character of that portion of text. Okay, so let's find the character colon in this case. Okay, within the text, this one. Okay, I think we are done here, and the new text should be empty. Okay, let's see. Yep, we are getting the same result as earlier. Okay, so this is another way to remove any specific text from an entire column. Okay, you can also use the left, mid and right function combining with the find function. Okay, try it and let us know in the comments. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you liked it and find it useful. Okay, so please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.